Lesson 1, The Founding of Rome. Essential question: how does geography influence the way people live? Guiding questions: what effect did geography have on the rise of Roman civilization? How did Rome become a great power? Some terms to know. Republic, a form of government in which citizens elect their leaders. Legion, a large group of Roman soldiers. When did it happen? We are here in history, 760 BC. Latins settle Rome. 750 BC. Greeks begin settling in southern Italy. 650 BC. The Etruscans take control of Rome. 509 BC. Rome becomes a republic. And then 267 BC, Rome controls most of Italy. And then up here, where in the world, this is a picture of Italy, Rome on the map here.